In this video, we're going to be looking at how to get a custom flashlight. For this tutorial, we're using a rainbow one, but you can set this to however you like. So, start the game and we'll take a look at what it's going to look like. So this is it in first person. You can turn it off and on, and this is what it's going to look like in first person. This is something you want, then sit through the tutorial and we'll show you how. If you want a tutorial on how to write the code, the link will be in the comments to the Map Academy video. So we're going to have this available for download in my server and in the Map Academy Discord server. So then let's get started. Once you've downloaded the file, we're going to need to go into File Explorer, copy this download, and go into Documents, Fortnite Projects, choose your map. This one was called Guess the Logo Tutorial, and open content, then right click and press paste, and you will have the code in your map. What we need to do from here is now press a verse build and then click on this button here, which will build the verse for you. It won't have any errors, so you're fine with in that regard. Let me delete everything. Yep. Cool. So then, what we're going to need to do, we need to put down our flashlight controller, which will be appearing after we build the verse code. Then, we're going to need to find an input trigger. Here's the input trigger. What we need to do is choose how we want to activate it. I had it on fire because the games that I make with these flashlights don't need you to shoot, so choose which one works best for you. And consumer input, that will stop the input being read by other actions. So for example, you wouldn't be able to shoot if you had it on shoot. Once you've figured out which input trigger you want to use, you can go ahead and click on flashlight controller, click the pipette, and choose your input trigger. Next up, we need to create the lights. So type in light device and drag that onto screen. We're going to change it from point light to spotlight, but all the settings from this point is personal preference on how you want it to look like. You could have flicker, you could have red, blue. You can choose whatever fits the aesthetic for the feel you're trying to create. Cast shadows, it'll make it a bit harder to run, but I like it. So then, what else do we need to do? We actually need to duplicate this for the amount of players that we have in the game. If we had a 4-player map, we're going to need to go ahead and create 4 instances in the array, and go ahead and just click the pipette on all of them. Super simple to do. Just like that, it'll be working. Then all you need to do is press push changes. So we can see we've got our blue flashlight in the game that we just added. Use the input trigger to turn it off and on. All good. Use code GISMO in the Fortnite IM store. Subscribe to the channel. Drop a like and see you in the next video.